Okay, today we are going to study about our religious and social customs, which is the first lesson of Unit 2. Okay, and before, okay, let's have a discussion about religious customs of us at first. Okay, this who is this CA Legends Buddha Thoki? Can you please change your name? Can you put your real name? Okay, Avas Paurel. Hello, Avas. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Avas. Okay, Avas, can you please tell me the religion which is followed in your family? Avas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which religion do you follow, Avas? Or
We follow.
Hinduism. Okay, Avas, can you tell me some of the major activities which are done as being Hindus? What are the major activities which are done as being Hindus?
Hindus celebrate many festivals. They
Okay, okay. You celebrate many festivals related to your religion. Okay, other is okay. Is there the tradition of doing day-to-day puja in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
home, at your home? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And other activities which are related to Hinduism, which are observed or performed in your religion or in
We
your family.
we worship many gods every day,
Okay, you worship many images of gods and images and idols of gods. Okay,
and,
and goddess.
and we
Okay,
also worship the sun.
you worship the sun. Thank you so much, Avas. Okay, Avas Moharjan. Hello, Avas Moharjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
Okay, Avas. Okay, can you name me the religion which is followed in your family?
Hinduism.
Okay, Hinduism. Us as being Hindus, yeah. Okay, what are the major festivals do you celebrate?
Dasai. Dasai.
Okay, Dasai.
Holi.
Okay, Holi,
Tihar.
Tihar.
Just like that, ma'am.
And Amas, what are the activities which are done as being Hindu? The activities which are related to the God. What are the activities which are done in your family or do you do as being Hindu? Can you mention some of the
Uh,
activities which are done as being Hindus, like going to temple, okay, worshipping the idols and images of the gods, or the performing puja. Are there the tradition, such tradition? Are there any tradition like that in your family or in your religion? Okay, thank you, Avas. So, I think you got some ideas about what are the religious customs, yeah? The activities which we do, the activities which we do, which we perform, the belief which we have about our religion or about the gods are known as the religious customs of Hindus. Yeah. So I want to show you in slides about some of the main customs of the Hindus. Okay. So the major religious customs of Hindus are they go to temple, yeah, to worship the images and the idols of the god. Yeah, they perform different puja by using different methods like Panchapachar, Dasapachar, Sodasopachar, etc. Yeah. Panchapachar is a puja method which is performed by using 5 puja materials. Similarly, so Dasapachar is the puja method which is done or which is performed by using 10 puja materials. And Sodasopachar is the puja method which is performed by using 16 puja materials. Okay, I think in your family also there is a when there is a puja or the worship, when performing puja or the worship, you use such methods to perform the puja. Okay, and in Hinduism, and in Hinduism, people celebrate different kinds of festivals, yeah, and you know the main festivals of the Hindus, yeah, like Dasai, Tihar, Janai Purnima, Sivaratri, etc. Yeah, and do you know the Do you know the main holy book or the scripture of Hindus? The main scripture or the holy books of Hindus are, okay, Ved, Puran, Gita, etc. Yeah, they are the scripture or the books which are written about the gods or goddess. Yeah, they are the main scripture or the holy books of the Hindus. And we believe in Trinity gods. They are Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. They are the main god of us. The religious customs which are performed or which are done in Hindus are, we worship the idols and images of the god, we go to temple, and we take fast in different tithis or the days, and we study or we recite the mantras or sutras while performing puja. These are the main religious customs of Hindus. Okay, are you understanding? Okay, Pallav Sigdel. I'm not listening to Pallav properly. Okay, Diksha. Hello, Diksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Diksha. Have you understood about the different religious activities of Hindus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in your, I think you are also the follower of Hinduism, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me some of the major activities which are done in your religion?
We worship the image and idol of different gods and goddess,
Okay.
and we believe in charities. We celebrate major festivals like Dasai, Tihar, Teej, etc.
So these are the major religious customs of Hindus. Okay. If anybody has any confusion about the religious customs of Hindus, please unmute yourself and you can ask me. Okay. If anybody has confusion about anything about the Hinduism.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Me too, also very fit and fine. Okay, Rahul. Okay, can you share some major activities of your religion? Obviously, you are the follower of Hinduism, I think. So, can you share some of the major activities as being Hindu?
We Hindus celebrate many festivals like Tihar, Holi, Chhath, Dasai, etc. Dasai is our main festival.
Hmm?
We worship God and Goddess. We worship in Chhath. We worship to sun also.
Okay, in your family or in your religion, is there a tradition of doing charity or donating to the helpless or the needy people, Rahul? In Hinduism or the people who follow Hinduism, they believe in charity. Yeah, they donate the
Yes,
things or
ma'am.
the money to the needy people, disabled people. So this is all about the the religious customs of Hindus. Okay. Okay, let's move on the next to the another important religion of Nepal, which is, do you have any idea? Okay, after Hinduism,
Buddhism.
the another most, yeah.
Buddhism.
Okay, Buddhism, yeah.
Buddhism.
Okay, among you all, is there anybody who is a follower of Buddhism? Who follow Buddhism among you all? Is there anybody who follow Buddhism? If you're anybody who is a follower of Buddhism, can you please share some activities or the customs of your religion? Is there anybody? Let me see. Okay. See, I think most of you are the follower of Hinduism. Yeah. So do you, even being Hindus, do you have any ideas about the major customs of Buddhism? Anybody? Do you want to share? What are the major customs of them? What do they do? What are the major activities of them? What do they do in their religion? Do anybody have any idea about Buddhism? Do you want to share something about Buddhism? Okay, Alaika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, Alaika, do you have any idea about Buddhism? Okay, about the founder. Who is the founder of Buddhism? Do you know?
Ma'am, Buddha. Gautam Buddha.
Lord Buddha or Gautam Buddha is the founder of Buddhism. Yeah. And do you
Yes.
know? Okay, where do they go to for the prayer? where do they go for the prayer?
They go stupa.
Okay, stupa or monasteries, yeah. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Hindus go to temple for praying or for worshipping the god, but Buddhists go to stupas or monasteries, yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, Alaika. Ozan, are you listening to me? Okay, Ozan, do you know anything about Buddhism?
What, ma'am?
Do you know anything about Buddhism? Even I think you are the follower of Hinduism.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know anything about Buddhism?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share with us?
Buddhism is also one of the important religion of Nepal.
Okay,
The founder, Lord Buddha,
okay,
spent most of the time in the meditation. They follow the path of peace and non-violence in the entire life.
this is written in our slide. Yeah. Do you know any other things about this except this? Do you know that the holy book of Buddhism or Buddhist?
Religion is
What
also
is picture of them?
a major followed by Buddhists.
Okay, do you know what the holy books means? The books which are written about Buddha, yeah. Do you know the names of the books of or the holy books of Buddhism?
Jatakas and Tripitaka.
Yeah, Jataks and Tripitaks are the books or the holy books of Buddhist or Buddhism, yeah. So after Hinduism, okay, thank you so much, Ozan. After Hinduism, there in Nepal, there is most of the people follow Buddhism. Yeah, it is another important religion of Nepal. And the founder of this religion is Lord Buddha or Gautam Buddha. Buddha, yeah. They spend and Buddhists go to monasteries or stupas for the prayer to pray their god Buddha, and they spend most of their time in meditation. Yeah, from meditation, why do they do meditation? Do you know? To they okay for peace and satisfaction, they spend most of their time in meditation. Okay. And I've already told you, the Jataks and Tripitaks are the holy books of them. Yeah, they are the scriptures of Buddhist, and they follow the path of peace and non-violence in their entire life. Yeah, and the major festival of so this is all religious customs of Buddhist. Okay, what do Buddhists do in their religion? This is all about the activities or the beliefs of Buddhist or the Buddhism. Do you have any confusion about Buddhism? If you haven't understood anything or if you have any question about Buddhism, you can raise your hands. And do anybody have any questions about Buddhism? If so, then let's move on the next another important religion of after Hinduism and Buddhism is Kirat. Okay, before telling something about this religion, I want to take views about this religion about Kirat. Okay, okay. Do anybody have any idea about Kirat? What are the major customs or the tradition which people do in this region? Do anybody have any idea? Or among you, anyone is the follower of Kirat?
Ma'am, Rosan is ma'am.
Rosan, okay. Rosan, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rosan, are you the follower of Kirat? Okay, can you share some the tradition or the customs or the activities which are done in your religion about the major festivals or the main god of yours? Can you share some ideas about this religion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Kirat people mostly worship the nature because we cannot live without the nature. For
Okay.
plantation, they also worship the land, so their crops would be better.
Okay.
And we mostly Lord Shiva.
Yeah. You worship Lord Shiva and Parvati, yeah, as
Yes.
Sumnima and Parohang, yeah, Rosa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and any other? Okay, what are the major festivals that are celebrated in your religion?
And we celebrate the major festivals. We celebrate
Okay.
are Udauli and Ugauli.
Okay, can you share how do you celebrate Udauli and Ubauli? So that we could also get a chance to know how do you celebrate about the festival. Can you share how do you celebrate these festivals?
During this
Rosa?
festival, during this festival, the people in a place and do Chandi Nach, and they also help poor and disabled peoples, and uh, worship, and we worship the land to be better for plantation.
Okay, thank you so much, Rosan, for sharing the ideas about your religion and about sharing the ideas or the methods of celebrating your major festival, the Pita. Yeah. So, and the major or the main scripture of Kirat is, yeah, Mundum. Mundum is the main holy book or scripture of Kirat, and they celebrate Umboli and Udoli as their major festival. So this is all about Kirat religion of Nepal. Okay. Do you have, anybody has any confusion about Kirat? Yeah. I think Osin is saying yes. Osin, do you have confusion? Any confusion about Kirat religion of Nepal? Do you, Osin?
Excuse me.
Do you have any confusion about this religion? About
No,
Kirat?
ma'am.
Okay, I think you have understood well because just now Rosen has described or he told everything about their about their main god or the festival and other activities which are done in Kirat. Yeah, in Kirat. Okay, thank you, Husin. Okay, after Kirat, the next religion which is followed in Nepal is, do you know? Okay, Islam. Yeah, another festival which is followed by the people of Nepal is Islam. Do you have any idea the what do they do or what are the major activities? What are the major customs of Islam in Nepal? About their major festival or God or about their holy place? Do you have any idea? Because we also studied about Islam in class 6. So I think Prosumi knows something about Islam. Do you, Prosumi?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know anything about Islam? Who is the founder of Islam? What are the major religious activities or the customs of Islam? Do you know, Rasumi?
Prophet Muhammad was born in Saudi Arabia, has founded Islam religion.
Okay.
The major festivals of them are Eid.
Okay. Major festival of Islam, Eid and Baqeed, or
Their holy book.
do you know the holy book of them
Their holy book.
or scripture of Islam?
Quran is their holy book.
Okay, Quran is the holy book of them. Do you know what do they call the recitation of Quran?
It is called namaz.
The recitation of Quran is known as namaz. Yeah, namaz porno. Yeah, I think you have listened somewhere that word namaz porno. Yeah, so that during their month-long fast, which is known as roza, yeah, they recite namaz, which is called, they recite the holy book of them, Quran, which is known as namaz. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Recitation of Quran is known as namaz. Okay, and they celebrate Eid and Bakr Eid, their major festivals. So, if you have any confusion about this religion or about Islam, you can ask me now. We have just 4 minutes. So if you are among okay, today we talked about 4 religions which are mostly followed in Nepal. They are Hinduism, Buddhism, Kirat, and Islam. So if you have any confusion about any religion, you can ask me now. Anybody has any confusion? You can ask me by unmuting yourself. Okay, Christina. Hello, Christina. Christina, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, Christina, do you have any confusion about the religion or the religious customs today we talked about? Do you have any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, Christina, I think you are the follower of Hinduism, yeah? Okay, Christina, in your religion or in your family, is there the tradition of worshipping the idol and images of the gods?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. And I think that is there the tradition of taking the fast in different days or tithis?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think these are and others are the major religious customs of your religion or of Hinduism. Yeah. So this is all about the four major religions and the different customs which are performed or done in these religions. And if you have any confusion about any religion we talked about, we'll discuss next time. Thank you so much for